Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will learn how to read logarithmic table. So, suppose that we got a question where we have to solve this. We got log base 10 and it is 234.590. Suppose this is the number and we have to find out the value using logarithmic table. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to convert everything and you have to write down some non-zero number, decimal something, point something. Okay, so let's convert. So we got log 2.34590, but you know that the value got changed. So what I will do, I will multiply it with how many digits it got transferred, 2 digits. So I'll multiply it by 10 power 2. Okay, base is still 10. Now what you have to do, you have to write down the number. Like, you can split this thing as log m plus log n. So can I write log 10 power 2 base 10 plus log 2.345, it is 9, 5.9. So what you have to do, you have to write down these number in 4 elements. So can I write down, instead of writing 5 9, I can write it down as 6. Okay, so we got 4 digits. Okay, now this thing is 2 for sure. Now we have to find out value of this thing. Okay, now so what you have to do, focus on first 2 digit. First 2 digit belongs to column. Okay, like this is the column I'm talking about. So first 2 digit is done. Now third digit from this middle thing. Okay, third digit is from middle. Now 2 digit done, third digit done. Now fourth, focus on fourth digit is from mean difference. From mean difference, and this is your mean difference table. Okay, so this is important. Now look at this, how we will calculate the value. So focus on the first 2 digit. So first 2 digit says what? It says 23. So look at your 23. So you got your 23, correct? So this is your 23 line. I'll choose some different color. So 23 is here. So keep going. Okay, so this is your 23 line. Now second number is 4. So 4 is this. Okay, so intersection is this number. So we got this result, correct? So what you have to do, first write down this number. Okay, so this number is what? 3692. Just write it down. Now look at the fourth digit. Fourth digit is 6. So 6 is here. Come again. So we are at this intersection, and this intersection is 11. So add your fourth number 11. So this thing comes out to be what? 3 0 7 and 3. So it is 3703. Now you have to write down this number in what? In decimal. So come again. So you got 0.37 2.3703. This is your result. Now you can add these two things up. So you got 2.3703. So the value of log 234.59 comes out to be 2.3703. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation. Now you guys can read the logarithmic table as well. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.